ClosePod AI has just launched, and if you're considering using it, there are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Stick around to the end because I'll be sharing exactly how ClosePod AI can transform the way you work and why it could be the perfect solution for your digital marketing needs. Now, before we dive into all the details, you can actually try ClosePod AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. That's right, no commitment, just pure value, so be sure to check that out as we go through the key points. Let's get into it. ClosePod AI is designed to streamline business communications and automate processes. So whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or just someone looking to save time, this tool has something for you. One of the standout features of ClosePod is its ability to automate follow-ups and customer interactions with natural, human-like language, making it an ideal choice for businesses looking to enhance their customer engagement without increasing overhead. But what really sets ClosePod apart from other AI tools is its integration capabilities. Unlike many other AI tools that work in isolation, ClosePod connects seamlessly with various platforms you're probably already using, like your CRM, email marketing software, and even your social media. This means less time spent switching between platforms and more time getting results. Another crucial feature is the software's ability to understand and respond to customer intent. ClosePod isn't just about spitting out generic replies, it adapts its responses based on the conversation context. Whether it's scheduling a meeting, answering a question, or following up on a sale, it ensures that each interaction feels personalized, giving your customers the experience they expect in today's competitive landscape. You'll also love how user-friendly ClosePod is. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you can hit the ground running without feeling overwhelmed. The interface is clean and intuitive, with a straightforward setup process that walks you through everything. You won't need a team of developers to get started, which makes this an accessible tool for businesses of all sizes. One of the things I found most impressive is how scalable ClosePod is. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, this AI software grows with you. It adapts to your needs, which makes it a great long-term investment if you're planning to scale. You can start with simple automations, and as your business evolves, dive deeper into more advanced features. Plus, ClosePod AI constantly evolves. The development team is always rolling out new updates and features based on customer feedback, which means you're getting a tool that only improves over time. And it's constantly being tested for new applications, making it an AI software that's actively adapting to future trends. Now, a question you might be asking is whether ClosePod can truly integrate into your business without causing disruptions. The answer is yes. It's designed to make your life easier, not add more complexity. From its easy-to-set-up integrations to the automation that reduces your manual work. ClosePod AI is a powerful tool to streamline your operations without missing a beat. To wrap up, after trying thousands of AI tools, I've come to recommend ClosePod AI for businesses that want efficiency, ease of use, and a scalable solution. If you want to take your operations to the next level, I highly suggest checking out the first link below for your free trial. Remember, all the AI tools I personally recommend are in the description. Try them out and see which one works best for you. And don't forget, ClosePod AI might just be the game changer you've been looking for.